Guys, someone else bought their Surron. T'es à combien de pourcent?
36.
36%, and he was at 67. That's good. He came like half an hour. That boy practicing on his Surron right now. You can't see him right now because ultra wide, but guys, it feels so weird to ride a bike. Adjust the GoPro. I don't even know if that did anything. But we head into Publix now because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yo, those Durangos are clean. That sounds nice. American V8. Wish they mouillé là. Yo, the wind. The wind is insane. Damn. Mini Kami. That's crazy. Got a nice Camaro there. Ooh, that's nice. Oui. That boy getting good already. Yo, this wind is low-key insane though. Oui. Qui? Ils sont là?
Oui, à droite, là.
Ouais. Ah wesh, pourquoi ils sont... They're more expensive here. Là-bas, ils étaient moins chers. They were less expensive in the other shop.
Celui-là, il marche vraiment bien. Mais c'est plus rentable de prendre le gros. 4 balles quand même.
After so much war, where are we going?
They don't even know what we've been through. Still good. We still good. I'll tell you why. They weren't trying to give me Muller. You know what I'm saying? I grinded all year. I've stacked my bread. They were saying we're not trying to give it to you. Should I tell you what I got today though? That's what I'm telling you.
Watch him! Watch him!
I'm telling you.
Watch
$100 bill. What you talking about? We still good, man. So we gonna pick up my dream bike. Y'all gonna see at the location.
C'est son moment. Young boys ultra be yeah. Enfin.
No scratches, no. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, my bike just died. This house is becoming a flipping Surron house, bro. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're riding right now. Got the boys outside. We're gonna head to downtown. Yes sir. I hope this angle's good. But yeah, let's go. That boy got that. Oh! That boy did that jump. Low-key need a drink. Oh, why? I reserved it here $1.99. Usually they're 99 cents. Alright. Now you can. Alright, quick fuel up, then we're back. Hitting the road. We out.
Trying to think right now. Wait.
Oh,
I'm trying to see how deep it is in there. I don't want my front wheel to like go in. Are you gonna try go for that?
oh my god.
I'm just trying to see how deep it is.
Oh,
Say.
I ain't doing that.
yeah, no thanks. I'm cool.
GG's, nigga.
I'm so cool. Oh, c'est le pouvoir.
Oui.
God damn.
Moi, je vais pas faire ça avec mon Surron Slide Zeb là.
I'm so hyped that everyone now has a Surron. Like, it's actually lit. Walk inside the crib, there's 4 Surrons in there. Yes, sir. But and that was a POV ride. Next ride, I'm gonna put the angle down because I realized that that angle was a bit too high. But yeah, we out. Do all the YouTube stuff. I'm gonna see y'all next week.